Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Redmond seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Redmond window installation services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and replacement doors. Redmond. These services ensure that your home is equipped with the best window and door solutions tailored to your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for Redmond residents looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Energy-efficient windows. Redmond specialists provide expert advice and installation services to ensure maximum energy savings. These windows, along with replacement doors. Redmond, are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Vinyl windows are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Redmond. Redmond vinyl window experts offer a variety of styles and colors to match any home design. Vinyl windows and replacement doors. Redmond are known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance, making them top choices for home upgrades. Double-hung windows are a classic style that offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows. Redmond services provide installation for these versatile windows, which are easy to clean and operate. Pairing them with replacement doors. Redmond creates a cohesive, energy-efficient, and stylish look for any home. Window installation is an essential service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Redmond window installation specialists are skilled in addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Regular window maintenance. Redmond and replacement doors. Redmond services can extend the life of your home's openings and prevent costly replacements. Custom windows offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Custom windows. Redmond services provide tailored solutions to fit any architectural style or design preference. Whether you need a specific shape, size, or material, custom windows and replacement doors. Redmond can enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality. Bay windows are a stunning addition to any home, providing extra space and natural light. Bay windows installation. Redmond experts can help you choose the perfect design and ensure a seamless installation. These windows, combined with replacement doors. Redmond, create a bright and welcoming atmosphere throughout your home. Casement windows are known for their excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Casement windows. Redmond services offer a range of options to suit your home's style and functionality needs. Adding replacement doors. Redmond enhances airflow and accessibility, completing your home's modern design. Window frame replacement is necessary when frames are damaged or outdated. Redmond window frame replacement services provide expert solutions to ensure your windows are secure and energy efficient. Alongside new frames, replacement doors. Redmond can improve the overall appearance, security, and performance of your home. Sliding windows are a practical choice for modern homes, offering easy operation and a sleek design. Sliding windows. Redmond services provide installation for these space-saving windows. Pairing them with replacement doors. Redmond ensures a consistent and functional aesthetic throughout your living space. Window contractors in Redmond are experienced professionals who can handle all aspects of window installation and replacement. Redmond window contractors offer comprehensive services, from initial consultation to final installation. They also specialize in replacement doors. Redmond, ensuring your home's windows and doors work together in harmony. Redmond window installation services are your go-to solution for all your window needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows. Redmond or expert installation, our team of Redmond window contractors is here to help. We specialize in custom windows. Redmond and replacement doors. Redmond, offering a wide range of styles to suit your home perfectly. Energy-efficient windows. Redmond are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our Redmond vinyl window experts provide top-notch window insulation solutions to keep your home comfortable all year. With our window sealing services. Redmond and replacement doors. Redmond, you can ensure every entry point is airtight and efficient. For those seeking window upgrades, Redmond window upgrades offer various options, including double-hung windows Redmond and sliding windows Redmond. Our Redmond window frame replacement services and replacement doors Redmond ensure that your home is both functional and visually appealing. We also provide window glass replacement and window caulking for complete protection. Window maintenance Redmond is crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window maintenance services, including window glazing Redmond and window tinting. With window screens Redmond and replacement doors Redmond, you can enjoy enhanced comfort, security, and energy efficiency year-round. Redmond Window Design Services provide custom solutions tailored to your preferences. Our window measurements Redmond ensure a perfect fit, while our window styles Redmond offer a variety of options to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you need window frame replacement or replacement doors Redmond, our contractors are equipped to handle it all with precision. For those in need of window installation, our Redmond window installation specialists are ready to assist. We offer window sealing services Redmond and replacement doors Redmond installation to fix leaks and improve insulation. Our window insulation solutions Redmond keep your home comfortable, and our window caulking ensures every seal is secure. Custom windows Redmond are perfect for homeowners looking to add a personal touch. Our Redmond window design services offer a range of options, from bay windows installation Redmond to casement windows Redmond. Pair your custom windows with replacement doors Redmond for a cohesive and stylish upgrade. Window safety Redmond is a top priority for our team. We offer window hardware and window screens Redmond to keep your home secure. Our window tinting services and replacement doors Redmond not only enhance privacy but also protect interiors from UV damage. With our window maintenance Redmond, your home will remain beautiful and protected for years.